Hello again. I found that the previous video doesn't show well how we weld these battery packs, so still I have two battery packs to made, and so we are making the process of welding again. I hope that this one will be okay. I will show only this row. The most important thing in the welding is that you should make it vertical. The tips, they should be vertical, and you press it well. Not too much, not too low. You get the idea. Don't make the distance between these two tips too long, and don't make it even too close. That will short them. Okay, see how it's welding. Fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching.